As welders, we all know the sound you often hear at the start of a weld.
Sounds like popcorn.
That's the sign of a bad arc start. Now let's hear the same weld with the PowerBall MIG welding gun.
That weld was all butter, no popcorn.
The PowerBall MIG gun features an innovative design that maximizes conductivity and optimizes arc stability to deliver consistent welding performance every time.
Without those bad arc starts, the weld begins just as good as it ends, with less spatter and no time wasted to rework parts.
And not only is weld quality more consistent, manufacturers who made the switch to PowerBall noticed a consumable life increase of 3 times or more in both semi-automatic and robotic applications.
Visit wire-wizard.com today to trial the MIG gun for yourself. Experience the difference that PowerBall technology can make at your facility.
Wire Wizard Welding Products, proud to be family-owned and American-made.